Alright, I was working on my bike and noticed I had a nail in the tire. So I run it tubeless, and this is not the first time. Anyways, I'm gonna plug this. I have it all ready. Plug, bought it on Amazon. I love these. I got everything set, so I'm gonna pull out that nail. I'm gonna push in this plug, and that should be it. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my gosh. Seriously? What the heck? Wow. In goes the plug. Sweet. I'll just roll it down and let some sealant get around that area. Nice thing about that is I have plugged them before when I'm riding, and you run something over and you can hear the tire, with the leak. And I've stopped, plugged it, and kept on riding without even having to put air back in. So that was it. I'll trim that and then be done with it. I thought I'd try something new. Instead of trimming it off, I'm just using the plug applicator to push it in further. See how I got some sealant coming out there? There we go. Sweet. Turn that back down again. Shake it. And we'll call that done. Could trim it off a little bit, like this. Let's see if I can find some of the other plugs I put in this tire. Yeah, that's a plug right there. That one's working like a charm. And there's a plug right there. So I've got 750 miles on this, and I got my first flat and then quickly converted it to tubeless. And so it's just been quick fixes ever since. This is a repair kit. I trimmed it a little smaller, and I just keep it in my bike bag.